Welcome to HeatSign. Today, we'll show you how to mark a logo using our handheld fiber laser marking machine. Start by inserting the USB flash drive into the control system. Next, open the software and import your logo file. Adjust the logo size and position to fit your workpiece perfectly. Now, set the laser parameters according to your material type for optimal results. Place the marking head over the workpiece, then press the start button to begin marking. In just seconds, the logo is deeply and clearly marked, clean, sharp, and permanent. Need a fast, portable marking solution? Contact HeatSign today for a free sample test.